This is the time during the lunar phase, first quarter almost, that we can look for some interesting features. And one of them is the Lunar V, the letter V in the Latin alphabet, or the number 7 in Persian Arabic numerals. And this is the area very close actually to this middle of the moon, where we have the actual terminator just slightly to the south of the lower part of the center. I'll mark it with this rectangle. It's not a feature that signifies anything, or just a series of hills created probably by a few impacts or fault lines. And this is what we see here: two hills, crossing each other, and that's the way that it looks like a letter V. In our human, experience, that is the letter V, what we call as letter V. In geological term, it doesn't signify anything other than just being an area that is uplifted. It's just to the south of this volcanic area of Huygens on the moon. And Lunar V is something that you can now tick on your bucket list as you have seen it now and you observe it.